Are you looking to move to Atlantic Canada? In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 great job opportunities in Labrador City, Newfoundland. Hey, what's up? It's Kaitlyn with Goodside, where we turn job ads into engaging videos. On this channel, we share the latest job opportunities on the East Coast and simple tips to help you land your dream job. Big favor from you guys is to give this video a thumbs up, and if you know someone that would be a great fit, consider sharing this with them. Okay, let's jump in. Carroll Lake Metal Works is looking for a shop supervisor. Labrador Greenfell Health is looking for a mental health counselor. College of North Atlantic is looking for an instructor of welding. Rio Tinto is looking for a coordinator of construction. And Val is looking for a site service coordinator. If you're interested in one of these opportunities, I'll leave all of the job links in the description below. Now before we go, I'd like to share this career tip with you. Never try to oversell yourself during the interview. Once you feel that you made your point clear, stop selling. You don't want to give the interviewer the chance to change his mind. And for our question of the day, what is your favorite emoji? Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe if you're looking for a new career opportunity in Atlantic Canada.